Cleanliness and hygiene are essential to espresso machine maintenance. Your Conti Ace comes equipped with a semi-automatic cleaning cycle. This allows for the group head to be cleaned thoroughly each time you use the machine. Make sure that you're finished making coffee for the day. Empty your portafilter basket and soak the metal parts only in the solution of cleaning powder and hot water. You will need to remove your filter basket to do this. A small flat-headed screwdriver could be useful here. These should soak for around 10 minutes. While they soak, we'll clean the group head. Using the continuous key, which is button 3, run the group until the water runs clear. Replace the basket in one of your portafilters with the cleaning blank provided with your machine. Into the cleaning blank add 1 cleaning tablet or a single scoop of cleaning powder using a pulley calf brush. Insert the portafilter into the group head. Press and hold button 3 and then press button 1. This will bring up CLE on the screen and will start the cleaning cycle. Wait for the cycle to end, then remove the portafilter and brush across and around the shower screen, ensuring to be careful as the shower screen will be hot. Once you have brushed the group, rinse again using the continuous key, which is button 3, then reinsert the portafilter fitted with a cleaning blank, this time being empty, and start the cleaning cycle again by holding in button 3 and pressing button 1. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the portafilter and wipe across the shower screen and surrounding groove using a clean cloth or a paper towel. Again, being very careful, this group will be hot. Now you've completed your group cleaning, it's time to take your portafilter out of the cleaning solution. Using a clean cloth or paper towel, wipe away any residue from the handle and the basket. Rinse with fresh clean water and inspect. Please do not use any abrasive cloths or scourers on the handles. This will remove the Excelsium non-stick coating and make it much harder to clean in the future. If there's still residue on your handles, repeat the soaking, wiping and rinsing process until it is clean. Finally, using hot water or soapy water, wipe down your machine. Ensure to focus on contact points using antibacterial spray and use a dry, clean cloth or paper towel to wipe down your machine.